How to change the default paper size to A4 in Microsoft Word. Hey everybody, so if you want to use that in every new document, the A4 automatically, you can follow out this method for that. So we can directly open up the Word, just go over and access your Word application directly, and we can directly go to the section for layout or page layout tab once we head over to a document. So look out for layout option in the top in the menu and go ahead and look out for the size option and ensure that you have selected this option for A4 21 into 29.7 centimeter, this one right here, and select it up, and you can make it permanent. So once we choose that option, this one right here, what we can do is we can just go over and look out for the option of page setup in the bottom right corner of our screen. For that, once this menu appears, look out for more paper sizes, click on it and select the option for A4 here. And once we have done that, we can select this option called set as default and click on OK. And now all the documents will use A4. That is one of the methods. If that doesn't work, we can, for that, press Windows plus R and then just type in this. So type in %app data and type in %. After that, type in /Microsoft /Microsoft/templates. Just go over and type in /Microsoft and /templates and hit OK, and that should open up the space. You can look out for normal.m here. This is Word's default template, and you can set it to set the paper size. Again, go to layout, look out for page setup and set it to A4 and save and close, and that will set it as default. And that's it. You can try out this method if you want to go ahead and set up A4 in your Word. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.